Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, we're breaking down what a telehealth app is and how to use it to consult with doctors from the comfort of your home. A telehealth app is a mobile or web-based platform that allows you to talk to a healthcare provider through your phone, tablet or computer instead of going to a clinic and schedule a virtual appointment doctor on a video and even get prescriptions all online. Now to get started, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So open up your app store and then search telehealth on the top of the page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that and you'll see the install button right there. So tap on install and then open up your app. Once you're in, create an account with your name, contact info and insurance if applicable. Fill out your health profile like allergies, medications or past conditions. Then allow camera and microphone access for video calls. Some apps also let you link your insurance to reduce costs or show your copay. So now to use the app, schedule an appointment, choose a service like general doctor, mental health, dermatology, etc. Then select a time slot or option for an on-demand session. Then enter a short reason to visit. Now to start the virtual visit at the scheduled time, open the app and tap Zoom Visit to start the video call and speak with the doctor just like you would in person. Those symptoms using your phone camera if needed. And after the call, doctor may send a prescription to your pharmacy, get notes, instructions or follow-up recommendations in the app. You can view past visits and keep your health info organized. And also make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Use headphones for better audio and privacy. Sit in a quiet, well-lit space for video clarity. All the calls are secure and HIPAA compliant, so your info stays private. And that's all about telehealth app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. In the next video, bye.